Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the msvcp140.dll missing error. Let's fix it guys. Now you just need to open up Chrome and check my video description for this DLL name. Just paste it in the Chrome and search download. Click on the first link dllfiles.com. In here you just need to scroll down. Now you need to find which bit you are using guys. To do this, go to search menu and type system information. Click on open it. In here you can able to see which bit you are using. After checking that, close stuff here. Now you just need to download depending on how much bit you have. You just need to download the DLL file guys. In my case I have 64 bit, that's why I'm downloading this bit. After getting download done, you just need to click on the folder icon. Right click on the zip file and select extract all and select extract. After getting extract done, you just need to right click on the DLL file and copy it. After copying the DLL file, go to C drive, Windows folder. In here you just need to find the system 32-bit folder. After finding the folder, if you have downloaded the 64-bit DLL file, then you need to paste in the system 32 folder. If you have downloaded the 32-bit DLL file, then you just need to paste in the SYS wow 64 folder. In my case I have 64-bit, that's why I'm gonna paste in the system 32. Double click on the folder and paste over here. Select replace the file in the destination. Select continue. After pasting it, just close stuff here. Now you need to restart your PC and your problem should be fixed guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.